In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sora 2 to create a user-generated content, or UGC, video. If you've ever wanted to create content that looks organic and genuine, just like what your favorite creators are posting, then Sora 2 might be the tool for you. So let's dive right in and explore the process step by step, ensuring you finish with a polished and authentic video. First, you'll need to open Sora 2. If you're new to this platform, Sora 2 is a versatile tool designed to simplify UGC video creation, making it accessible no matter your experience level. Once you've opened the program, the next step is to sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, setting one up is quick and straightforward, ideally on their website. After logging in, you'll see an array of options. What you want to do next is create a new project. This is a crucial step, as it sets the stage for building your video from scratch. Creating a new project will open up a workspace where all the magic happens. Now comes one of the most crucial parts of the process, writing your UGC prompt. Your prompt needs to be clear and descriptive, as this forms the foundation of your content. In your prompt, describe the scenario you envision, the product featured, the action taking place, and the overall style of the video. For example, you might write, person unboxing a skincare product with natural lighting, in a close-up shot, smiling casually in a home setting. This detailed prompt will guide the tool to generate content that matches your vision closely. You then have an optional, yet advantageous step. For consistency, you might consider adding an image, video, or even a cameo if you have one. This additional material can add depth and personalization to your project, ensuring that the content aligns with your brand or style. With your UGC prompt ready, and additional media added if you chose to do so, you're now prepared to generate your video. Click Generate to commence the creation process. Once your video is generated, it's essential to review it thoroughly. Sora 2 is intuitive, but sometimes tweaking the prompt for improved accuracy or better results is necessary. If needed, go back, adjust your prompt, and regenerate the content until you are satisfied with the outcome. Finally, the last step is to export your video. Sora 2 provides options to download your video directly to your device or share it on various platforms, ensuring that your content reaches your audience effortlessly. Sharing your user-generated content video can enhance engagement by providing relatable, authentic material that resonates well with viewers. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Sora 2 for creating UGC videos. It's an enjoyable and simple process, and with a bit of practice, you'll be creating engaging content in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!